this house. And I made a video earlier about this, but I didn't, I deleted it because I didn't like it. And so I wanted to talk about how, well, I had a couple things that I wanted to talk about, and I don't have a good memory, so I was putting them on my phone, and a tornado happened. There was a tornado, and so all the power went out, so I couldn't access my phone, well, because it died as well, and I couldn't charge it. But yeah, it was crazy. There were 2 tornadoes, actually. Yeah, it was so weird. It felt so random and weird, and I don't know, it was just so chaotic. But now that I am here, I wanted to talk about a couple things that I have planned out. I want to talk about how, I feel like I'm the only one. Like, I'm the only one that sees things. I go on the internet, a lot, and people are just fighting about everything. And the thing is that they contradict themselves so much, but nobody's, focusing on that. I feel like I'm the only one that can see that. I can't remember them from off the top of my head because there's so many, that I just don't remember. But, I don't know. There's, sexists and racists and, homophobes and, everybody. And they say something about the other group that they hate on, how they do that, and then they go ahead and do that. Or they say something that doesn't line up with something else they do. And I just think it's so weird, and nobody's talking about that. I feel like I'm the only one that sees this. I feel like I'm a parent, and my kids are both bickering to each other about who's better, and I can see both sides, but I'm the only one that can see it, and nobody else is, paying attention. Nobody sees the things that I see, and I know there are people that do. I just want to, find people, reach out to them, but it feels like I'm the only one, because I've never met anybody who thinks this way. So yeah, I feel like I'm the only one that sees things in the world that are wrong, and things in the world that are good, but never get attention at all. And another thing I want to talk about, these things cause me to not be able to sleep well. I lose sleep at night because I think about this so often. Because there's nobody for me to go to get these ideas off my head, because nobody understands it. Nobody sees the same things I see. So I lose sleep because of that. And yeah. So it's not amazing, and then it makes me tired. So I want to do this journaling. So anybody please, just comment. Do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? Next thing I want to talk about, how we aren't immortal beings that live with billions of other people, but instead we are part of the billion other people. We are part of that group. There's no immortal. You're not immortal. You're gonna die one day, and chances are nobody will care. Even if you're famous, eventually nobody will care. Eventually you'll be forgotten. That's inevitable. And I think it's just important that, either way, it's gonna happen. And so you should, you could say, what's the point then, right? What's the point of you living your life if that's how it's gonna be? But the thing is that your life is the only one that will exist of your life. Like, it's the only thing that will ever exist. And, of course, nobody will know about it when you die. But, at some point, at least. But I think that means you should live it even more. Because then you're the only person that will get to experience it, will get to know what it was like to be you. You. And if you have more experiences, then you can experience it, or you can understand yourself more. And you can understand your life. Your only one life that will be gone forever. And you're the only one that will get to know about it. I think that's important. And you should live your life because it's the only one that will ever happen. And one day there will never be another way or another option for it to exist again. And the last thing I wanted to talk about was autism, I guess. Now I got diagnosed with spectrum 1, and I thought it was strange at first. I know nothing about autism, but now that I'm hearing about it more, I feel like it makes sense, because when I was talking earlier about how I feel like I'm the only one, I feel like that's a part of the autism, and the reason I can't find anybody that is like me, or that also feels like the only one like me, is because of the autism. Because spectrum 1, I'm pretty sure, is like, you can hide it, you can mask really well, and so I guess I'm doing that, but I'm doing it too well that I can't find anybody that sees me and will open up and say that they're the same as me. And so, like, my last video makes me feel alone, right? So, yeah, I don't know, but, like, and then people think of autism as a bad thing, or people don't want to be friends with people with autism, and that's seen as a normal thing. Somebody's downstairs. Anyway, you get the gist. I think I'm gonna end this right here and put up clips of the tornado up at the end. And I took a video pre